Hi, welcome to Thuong Nguyen. I'm Daniel, and this is a double-side planer machine. So, what is this machine? This is a very simple machine, but it is very essential. Why? Because when you have a piece of wood and you need the precision of it, you need the top side and the bottom side of it to be very smooth and flat. That's why you put it in this machine. Okay, so to operate the machine is very simple. You have a simple button, on and off button, and you can control the conveyor, you can control the top planer head, cutter head, and the bottom cutter head individually. So you can turn on, off, whichever way you want it to. Also, we can control the height of the machine to adjust it suitable for our workpiece thickness. Okay, now let's take a look at the motor. Okay, so for this machine we have 4 different motors. The first one being the working table lifting motor. This one is about half an HP. The next one we'll have is the top working motor. The top working motor, it is about 20 HP. Bottom working motor is about 15 HP. And the last one being the conveyor motor. It is about 3 HP. So let's see how this machine functions in real time. Okay, thank you for tuning in. We hope to see you in the next video. If you have any questions about woodworking machinery, please contact us and we'll give you some more information for free. So thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.